As Brian Herbert said, the capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, and the willingness to learn is a choice. A very good morning to everyone gathered here. I, Soundarya, on behalf of Pondicherry Engineering College, feel more than honored to have you all as part of the Delight Virtual Summit 2020. This summit is a joint initiative of the Design Club and the Literary Club of PEC, and we take pride in saying that it's the first one of a kind too. The two-day summit provides webinars, commentaries, skill development tutorials, and games too. A number of literary events were also organized as part of the summit over the last 1 week. At this juncture, we also feel extremely happy to have our alumni spread across the different parts of the globe gathering here today with us to share their experiences through webinars, commentaries, panel discussion, and also help us in judging the events and conducting the grand quiz. We hope you have a great time here for the next 2 days. Without much further ado, I now welcome Dr. A.V. Anantalakshmi, Assistant Professor, EC Department, to deliver the welcome address. Welcome, ma'am.
A very good morning to everyone present here. At the outlet, I feel immense pleasure in welcoming you all to the 2 days Delight Virtual Summit, which is a joint initiative by the Design Club and the Literary Club of PEC. This 2 day summit, it includes a live stream of webinars, commentaries, panel discussion by our distinguished alumni, as well as the tutorial on the essential skills from the Design Club and the oral and written skills from the Literary Club. I feel extremely happy in welcoming our respected principal, Professor Dr. S. Kodandraman sir, for this virtual summit, who will shortly inaugurate this 2 days virtual summit and deliver the keynote address. Welcome, sir. I also welcome our Dean Students, Professor Dr. K. Vivekanandan sir, for gracing this occasion to facilitate this program. Welcome, sir. On behalf of the entire team, I feel extremely happy in welcoming our distinguished alumnus, Mr. CVSS Sandeep, Mr. Raghavendran K, Mr. Ashwin Rajan, and Mr. N. Madhusudanan, Mr. Saranyan, Mr. P. Jagannathan, and Mr. K. G. Sandeep Kumar, who are graduated from the year 2007 and working in different parts of the globe, and they are here to share their views on the webinar, Distance, a New Train Forward. I also welcome our renowned alumni, Mr. Karan Seth, who will give a webinar on specialized generalized complex. I also welcome our honored alumni, Mr. Rajiv Garg, who is currently the Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, Mumbai, will share his views on career beyond engineering, that is manufacturing success brick by brick. And there is also one more webinar scheduled for tomorrow on women in engineering. The presenters for this topic are Ms. Padmata Suresh Babu and Ms. Shanti Komichetti. Around nearly 75 alumni have registered for this, and they are witnessing this virtual summit, who are graduated right from the year 1997 till the year 2019, and they are witnessing this virtual summit from the various parts of the globe. Right now, UK, US, Germany, Norway, Australia, Canada, New York, Singapore, Denmark, and also from our own mother India. I also welcome the faculty coordinators of both the Design Club and the Literary Club of PEC. And on behalf of the convener of the Design Club and the Literary Club, I feel extremely happy in welcoming all the faculty and staff members to this on-board live stream for a very good, delightful experience that you are going to have. I welcome all the students who are participating in this 2 days virtual summit. I also welcome the secretary of both the Design Club and the Literary Club. Lastly, this program would not have become possible without the support of the entire student coordinators team. Special welcome to all of you. On behalf of the convener of this summit, I would like to thank our principal as well as our dean students for giving us permission to organize this virtual summit and for gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. And I also thank the convener, Dr. Santi Simon ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to welcome you all at this occasion. And once again, I welcome each and everyone to this virtual summit. Thank you everyone for joining us for this 2 days virtual summit. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request our principal, Dr. S. Kotantaraman, to deliver the opening keynote. Sir, you have always been extremely energetic and supportive in matters of both academic and extracurricular activities. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Sandra. Good morning, everybody. Professor Vayanandan, Dr. Shanti Simon, Dr. Lakshmi, and other participants. I'm very much delighted that Pondicherry Engineering College is organizing such a program, possibly first of its kind in the history of Pondicherry Engineering College. And in fact, the Design Club and the Literary Club together, joined together, that is DLIT, they are organizing the summit, that is the virtual summit. And in fact, this is a program is very rightly planned at the right time and organized in the engineering college of our stature. Certainly, it is going to take our the institute impression to very higher level. And I must certainly thank wholeheartedly at the outset thank Dr. Shanti Simon for having acted as a source of inspiration and connecting all the students with the institution as well as the alumni. And I certainly thank all the alumni to join in this wonderful activity. In fact, this is almost this occasion, this program, I call it as at the end of pandemonium, in the sense that is which happens due to the outbreak of the pandemic disease. And what I mean here is that when we are trying to arrange a summit of this kind of need in a regular manner, it takes a lot of energy to physical stress, mental stress, as well as the financial stress is all involved. But here, we just plan it out and bring everybody together, and then we evolve and we arrive at the consensus, and we take the message to the next generation of our students. So that way, this particular event has its own importance and significance. And I think Dr. Shanti Simon is the source, the brain behind the whole arrangement of this event. I must really congratulate her once again. Possibly, it would not be out of place if I say that thanks to Corona, because the human endeavor is always trying to find ways and means to establish appropriate survival of our survival techniques. Now, here in the pandemic condition, we are all in a very difficult situation. It has opened new avenues and new ways of lifestyle altogether. In particular, in the field of knowledge sharing, we have opened new avenues, that is distance learning and the self-learning. In fact, this is one of the, in the webinar also, one of the topics is distance learning and self-learning is the part of the item. If distance learning by its name is not a new one, because distance learning already been in practice. But however, the operating style is modified. We are taking it in online, through online. We are taking the education for distance learning. And here over this short span of time, what we have gained is that a teacher is, teacher never retires. That is true, you know that. But then, when we are trying to teach the student online, and practically nobody will retire from their profession. And in fact, in this context, the self-learning has to be given very important the emphasis, because if you just see the successful leaders of the world, and most of the leaders they have not themselves. Of course, everybody will put their own inspiring teachers or inspiring personality, but eventually, if you carefully look into their biodata, their biography, we find that there is evidence that it is because of their self-drive, self-survival. They could have applying this learning. Okay. Therefore, self-learning is a very prime thread in this point of occasion. And the students who are doing engineering, and here in every field of engineering, the area is spreading so fast and expanding so fast. And within the classroom teaching or confining students within a certain set of books alone is not enough to update their knowledge, to expand their knowledge base. And what is required is a very broad-based knowledge, and that is how we are working on this platform. And in this context, under this situation, this distance learning, self-learning, and online teaching or online learning, whatever we call it as, it has its own important and emphasized today. And the online teaching, not only that we are trying to, but the days to come, in the days to come, even if you are not in the crisis like what we are facing, even if the situation is normal, this kind of teaching mode, this mode alone can ensure the sustainability of this profession. And certainly, every student will find their own teachers of their own favorite teachers, so that they can understand the basics of their subject very well. And so here, without the progress, the success of the survival is certainly ruled out. And if we say that the success is very essential, so in that even the continuous learning and sustainable learning is very important. So at this moment, I would like to quote Tripura, which is very apt in the present situation, which says, தாம் இன்புறுவது உலகின் புறக்கென்று காமுறுவர் கற்றறிந்தார். I repeat, தாம் இன்புறுவது உலகின் புறக்கென்று காமுறுவர் கற்றறிந்தார், which means the learner will long for more learning. The learner will long for more learning when they see that it gives pleasure to themselves. The world also derives pleasure from it. That is, if an individual is able to obtain the wisdom, that means the benefit will be enjoyed by the entire world. And that emphasizes very, very aptly that the very importance of the learning, and in particular the platform which facilitates the learning process, will enhances this learning process, will certainly be improved further. And in this context, this program, this webinar is going to address the different issues, as well as particularly in the engineering studies. In the engineering study, how far we can improve this platform to impart quality education to the students. And here, when we are addressing the education should be constrained only within the knowledge of imparting basic knowledge, as well as we will have to take to higher level, and it should be taken to the research level. Okay, and what is very essential here is just by sharing the knowledge, the very importance and the very significance of the knowledge sharing is that once if you try to share, the knowledge grows to the individual themselves. And in that context, rather than classroom teaching, the online teaching or webinar, so these are the platform in which every person who has the knowledge will always have unlimited number of listeners or the students. Thereby, the individual knowledge will also try to go up. Okay, so that way it is a wonderful. I'm not really upset that we are all put in the hardship of the online teaching. Students are facing some difficulties, no doubt. But certainly, if you are really focusing to improve the system of learning and teaching methodologies and so on and so forth, and certainly, the students will have a wonderful opportunity to understand the subject very well, as well as teachers themselves will enjoy their learning practice, and they will have an unlimited number of students and disciples, and they will continue to do their profession irrespective of their age or service position. So with these few words, I once again congratulate and thank the organizer, participants, and students, the alumni, who are all very keenly looking forward to participate in this event. And this 2 days seminar, I wish to be a grand success, and I wish that this activity should extend further, will open new avenues, and some more activities will be continued. Even if you are going to, even the college is going to reopen tomorrow, but nothing wrong that we can continue to have this sort of event in the days to come. So with this, I wish all the very best to the organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our ever enthusiastic Dean students, Dr. K. Vivekanandan, to deliver the felicitation. Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Respected Principal, Professor S. Kodanraman, sir, Dr. Shanti Simon, Dr. Anandalakshmi, and the executive member as well as members of Design and Literary Club. There is one saying, necessity is the mother of invention. I never thought in my life, professional life, I need to take online class at all. I never even dreamt that kind of situation, but actually it happened. So initially there will be some oscillations in learning this kind of platform, but of course we have to learn it. There is no other way. You have to learn it and master it, and we have done it. That is the first level. At the second level, we have this kind of virtual meet. It's not only classes, online classes, but it's an opportunity to exchange skills, to learn skills other than our regular curriculum. So really, I congratulate the Dr. Shanti Simon and the members of Literary Club and Executive Club for arranging such a wonderful event. And I also congratulate all the alumni. At least they have told 75 alumni are participating in this event all over the world. It's also another advantage. Even if we conduct face-to-face meeting, it might not be possible for all others to participate, but there is now there is very much possible. And you can see this. This is very much possible, even though we are unable to meet each other. This is very much possible by using technology. As our principal told, it need to be improved. It is again in your hand. Engineers, the whole thing is really possible now. The world is operating with at least 70% its normal position because of the technology. And this still needs to be improved, and it is all in your hand. So all of you make this opportunity. You have a lot of free time now. Don't waste your free time. Don't use it only for entertainment. You make it as an infotainment and try to learn as much as possible. So I wish all of you a great success, and I wish every one of the participants to gain as much as knowledge and make use of it. So with that, I wish you a great success. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's time we get into the summit and to start off with, we have a webinar on distance, new trend for work. The speakers of the webinar are all pass outs from the batch of 2007.
Principal sir and Dean sir, we are extremely grateful to both of you for being here. It's a great pleasure to have both of you here. Definitely this is first of a kind in PEC, and I feel the whole credit goes to the student leaders of the Design Club and the Literary Club. And this has been their brainchild, and I'm very happy that it has come to this stage. So, sirs, thank you so much for joining us, and it has been a great honor for us to have you here. And the alumni for the first webinar, they're also soon joining the group. So we'll continue with the webinar. Thank you so much. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.